If you have tracks on your ATV or UTV, you might be wondering what to do after a long winter of riding. I have cam sews on my UTV, and I imagine the procedure is very much the same for most brands. It involves popping the caps off of the wheels and pouring in a little 10W30 motor oil. Any motor oil, even conventional, will do the trick. To start, place the tracks on their side and pop the caps off that cover the wheel bearing access. If you put a little heavyweight oil under your caps at the beginning of every season like I do, moisture may have gotten in under the cap and caused residue, which is nothing more than a little bit of lubrication mixed with water and possibly some dust and dirt. You'll want to make sure that that's all cleaned out, so when you add the oil, none of it gets carried down into the bearing. What we are essentially doing here is cleaning out the wheels and pouring in a little oil and allowing it to seep into the bearings. Once we've done all 4 tracks, leave the caps off and let them sit for 3 to 4 days for the oil to seep in. Then flip the tracks over and repeat on the other side. In the fall, when it comes time to ride again, and you're about to put your tracks on, drain the oil that you poured in, wipe everything out, pour in a little heavyweight oil, just about 5 cc's, put the caps back on, and you're ready for winter.